Hey, so, I've gotta ask, have you ever started something, a new habit, a project, a fitness routine, all fired up, only to quit, like, a week later? Oh, come on, don't lie. We've all been there. But what if I told you that 21 days is all you need to turn that cycle around? No, seriously, 21 days. That's it, 3 weeks. And I'm not just talking about sticking to it. I'm talking about rewiring your brain so success becomes automatic. Sound crazy? Let me prove it to you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use the next 21 days to build habits that actually last. And spoiler, it's not about willpower. It's about strategy. Let's dive in. Okay, first, why do most people fail? Let's get real. We've all got that friend who starts a new life every Monday, but by Wednesday, they're back to old habits. Why? 3 things: clarity, consistency, celebration. Miss one, and the whole thing crumbles. Let me explain. First up, clarity. Ever tried getting healthier or being more productive? Vague goals equal vague results. Your brain needs a roadmap. And second, consistency. Doing something once doesn't change your life. But here's the kicker. Consistency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, even messily. And third, celebration. If you're not celebrating tiny wins, you're missing the dopamine hits that keep you hooked. No joy means no staying power. Now, here's where the 21-day magic comes in. Neuroscientists call this the habit formation threshold. Basically, your brain goes from ugh, this is hard, to hey, this feels automatic, in about 3 weeks. But you've got to do it right. Let's break it down. Phase 1, days 1 through 7, the brain hack phase. This week's all about tricking your brain into liking the new habit. Start stupidly small. Want to meditate? Do 1 minute. Yes, 1. Want to write a book? Write 1 sentence. Why? Because your brain resists big changes. But tiny actions? They're sneaky. They build momentum without triggering panic. Phase 2, days 8 through 14, the okay, this is happening phase. Now that you're past the what am I doing stage, it's time to level up. Add just enough challenge to keep it interesting. Meditating? Go from 1 minute to 3. Writing? Ramp up to a paragraph. But here's the key. Track it. Write down your wins every single day. Seeing progress equals instant motivation fuel. Your brain's like, we've done this, can't we stop now? Nope. This is where accountability saves you. Tell a friend, post online, or even text a stranger. Just get someone to hype you up. And if you slip, no guilt. Just restart. It's not a failure. It's data. Keep going. Phase 3, days 15 through 21. By now, something wild happens. That habit? It starts feeling weird not to do it. Skipped your walk? Your body's like, excuse me? That's your brain rewiring. But here's the trap. Stay humble. Keep the routine non-negotiable. And celebrate like it's New Year's Eve. Did you show up? Throw a mini party. Treat yourself to coffee, whatever. Link joy to the habit. Look, I won't sugarcoat it. Some days will suck. You'll forget. You'll procrastinate. But remember, 21 days isn't about perfection. It's about proving to yourself that you're someone who sticks to things. And once you've got that identity, everything changes. Ready to try it? Let me know in the comments, what's your 21-day habit? I'll be checking in. Let's crush this together. Oh, and day 22? Trust me, you won't want to stop.